Okay, remember what I told you. Be your own boss. Love yourself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mhlongaf. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by. So today I'm planning to do a day in my life vlog. Basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be attempting to make a cake with no flour, no oven, no eggs, and yeah, guys, it's some hack that I saw on YouTube, and I've been like addicted to those kind of hacks lately. So and also I think I'm gonna be receiving packages and stuff like that from takealot and superbalist. If you're interested in this kind of content, please do continue watching this video and remember to like, comment. Okay guys, as I did say that I'm gonna attempt to make the microwave cake. Basically what okay, so I'm with my baby sister Azza and my other sister Trying. Say hi. Hi. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. I'm good. How old are you? 10. Are you going to help Auntie? Yes. So I'm going to be baking with her. Basically, we're gonna be using these biscuits. These are like like the 10 cents one. Oh no! Look at this one. She's already indulging on the chocolate, guys. And chocolate is part of the. Chocolate? Yes, she's having the chocolate. Babe, no. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Okay, so we can put this aside. Basically, we're gonna be grating this biscuits and also the tennis biscuits. We are using the choc mint flavor. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh no, Azar, baby, what is it? So yeah, we're gonna be grating on this side of the grater, and you know what I mean. So we kind of make you make it like fine like this. If you have any other thing to use to make your cookies to be like this, then by all means you can use it. And yeah, man, so now I'm just gonna be grating, then I'll get back to you when it's time to add the other ingredients. So basically this is how the mixture looks. Excuse my baby in the background. Shh. Thank you. So now I'm just gonna add a baking powder. Ngane ngane. Sorry to shut it off. Ngane ngane. Huh? Go. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 spoon. I'm not sure about the measurements, guys. If you guys do want to make this at home, then please let me know in the comment section. Then I'll like try to make a detailed video with the measurements and stuff. But now I'm just gonna use my intuition, baby. I think I'm gonna put a teaspoon of baking powder, and then yeah, and then I'll put a cup of milk, and then I'll just see how it works out, you know what I mean. Try and pour the milk on the thingy. Okay, let me do this so long. What can I use to open this thing? Yeah. Okay, I think that should be fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this thing like so. Oh no! As I know. So I think this is a lot though. So let me just. I don't want to put on. Okay, this should be fine. So I just put in a teaspoon of thingy of. So I just put in a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm not sure, guys, if it's enough. Then I'm gonna try and mix all of this as I pour in the milk. Guys, I'm not sure if the baking powder is enough. Should I add a little bit more? Should I add a bit? Let's add a little bit. Let me add another half of a teaspoon. Okay, so now time is finished mixing the dry ingredients. Then I'm gonna pour in the milk. Mix up, baby, as I pour it. Mix fast. Time mix. Is it hard? You want me to add more milk? Okay, so we're gonna add milk because it's a
sorry guys. How does it go? Is it better now? Should I add more milk? Can you do it? No, I think we should add a little bit more milk. Okay, so we're gonna continue whipping until it is fine. Let me help you.
okay, so I feel like now it's fine. Trying to do the most with this, and we are so happy. So basically, I'm going to be using this bowl to make the first cake, just to experiment and see this how much time I should time it for and stuff like that. So yeah, but the granules are a bit have dissolved now. It's only a few. Okay. So this is 10 minutes later, and this is how it looks. Ooh, it looks, guys. So this is how the cake looks. It is ripe, and I just tasted it like this. So it is nice. It is nice. It's nice. It's nice. So I'm gonna. So guys, as I was busy trying to bake the cake and stuff like that, I got a call from Takealot, and they're saying that my order is coming now. Yo, I'm so happy, guys. I really can't wait to see the stuff that I got. I'm so excited. Like, I literally can't wait now. And he says he's gonna be here in like 10 to 15 minutes, and I can't wait to even show you guys what I got. You know what I mean? So my sister and my baby sister are busy in the kitchen. They're making the cream now. So we decided to make a cream so that the cake can be proper. You know what I mean? Guys, I'm not sure if you guys are interested in that kind of content wherein I show you guys deep details on how we made the cake from scratch and stuff like that. But if you do want a video like that, then please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely do it, showing you guys all the measurements and stuff like that. But I don't just want to put it out there because like this is not necessarily a cooking channel or a baking channel for that matter. So I'm not sure if I should just give you guys details of the things, and I don't want to make this video too long. So I just hope you guys understand. And yeah, okay guys, so the things just got delivered, and I'm here with the box. I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys the things that I got, because yeah man, let me just show you. The first thing is this. I don't know what's on individual boxes, so I'll just be surprised, but you know, let's just see. So this is the first thing. It's from Superbalist. I'm not sure what's in here because it's very light. So here we've got the watch. This is my boyfriend's watch. Guys, look at the packaging. Look at how cute the packaging is. I stand for this. Like, okay, let me see the inside. I promise you, my boyfriend is gonna love this. Look at this. Guys, it is so cute. It is such a beautiful watch. It's very beautiful. Item number one, love it. Then we also got this small thing, but now this one is a bit heavy. It's also from Superbalist. Let's see. Oh, these are nice stuff. Okay, so this is my jumpsuit. I'm not sure if I should fit it now or not, but let's just see. And it looks very big, but I hope it fits. I'm gonna I'm gonna try it on, and then I'll show you guys a picture. Ne? I'll show you guys a picture, but I won't try it on now. Then these are two t-shirts that my boyfriend got. Yeah, these are two t-shirts. Just a simple gray t-shirt. Then what's this? Guys, I bought clothes, ne? Oh well. This is just a loose t-shirt, a loose just a loose black basic that I got. But it looks very, very huge, hey? It looks so huge. And I got it in a size 34 because, like, you know, it's very, very huge. But I'll try it on and show you guys a picture. And then 7 days free unlimited data when you activate and choose your plan. Oh, this is the rain thing. I don't know. So I think that they are marketing for rain or something like that. So that's why. Finally, let me just let's see this. Like this is one item that I've been waiting for. This is a knitted jersey. It's supposed to be a knitted. Oh, guys, it is not. It is so light, hey? It looks warmer in the picture, but I love it. I like it. It looks cute, ne? I love it. I feel like it is very good quality, and like I liked the detailing at the back here. So yeah, man, I thought it was knitted. Didn't they say it's knitted? So I guess it is not knitted. And then guys, now I'm worried about the sizes because I got this t-shirt in a size 36 and that jersey in a size 32, in a size 34, because I thought, no, I feel like this is going to be very huge. This is by superbalist. It's very huge, and I wanted this t-shirt, but I'm gonna rock it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna rock it. It's written Gal Gang. I absolutely love it. But you guys can already see it's very good. It's gonna be very big on me, but I'm gonna rock it. And it looks so pretty, and the quality of it is very. It has good quality. Like you can just feel by the fabric. Yo, my baby sister just came in now. My 1-year-old baby sister just came in now. I don't know what to do, but hopefully she'll behave. No, she's not. She's already started opening the boxes. Baby, when done? Ngane. Okay, so my baby sister will keep on saying ngane ngane, which means that small mom, or rather aunt. She'll keep on saying that. Yeah. She will keep on saying that. Because whenever she sees me, she says that. And further, whenever I'm busy doing something, she keeps on saying that. Guys, I don't know. Baby, please behave. Please behave. So now I'm gonna open this one. This box is very, very huge. I'm not sure what's in here. I'm not quite sure, but like even the way that I'm opening it, it's so not professional. I need to stop. Oh, I think here they are our shoes. Cause guys, okay, so I got these sandals. I got them in a size 5. I think they'll fit me. I'm not quite sure, but my leg is a bit fat, so they'll have to first adjust, and then they will be perfectly fine. Then we've got these ones. These ones are for my booty. They look so big. But he'll love them. Like my boyfriend is like that is a formal kind of guy, guys. Like he likes formal clothing. He's so formal. Okay, I think that's it from superbalist, and then now we're gonna. Sorry. We are gonna go to the takealot order. Ngane. So I also got myself this primer. So I also got myself this primer by Yardley, cause thing is I wanted to try out their foundation. So I feel like it works well when you're using both the foundation and the primer from the same brand. And then I'm so happy, guys. Like, okay, this is not really what I expected, but I also got myself a tripod for my YouTube channel, because I normally pack the things. I normally put my camera in like a pile of books, like now, my phone to be exact. So yeah, now I feel like I just decided to invest in my channel, because I can see it's growing, baby. We're reaching bigger spaces, baby. So you know what I mean. I'm gonna set this thing up, but let me see. So this is basically the tripod. I'm gonna set it out with my boyfriend a bit later, but this is also one thing that I got. And then I also got myself a teddy bears. These are bed pillow teddy bears, right? And like, thing is, as if you guys haven't watched my previous video, then you guys can go and watch it. But basically, I bought these teddy bears because I feel like, you know, one of my subscribers actually was motivating me, you know. Oh, and also on that thank you so much for those people who after watching that video took it upon themselves to check up on me, to text me on Instagram and stuff like that. Like, thank you guys so much. So now I'm just gonna open these pillows and show you guys how they look. I'm gonna style them in our room. Yo, it is so hard to open this thing up. Hi 50 plastics. So I'm only gonna show you this one. Hi, yeah. Guys, this is so cute. This is super cute, guys. Can you guys please see my elephant? Can you guys please see this? Do you guys understand? Do you guys I've always wanted this. Like, this is like my new best friend, literally. Like, oh my gosh, this person is so cute. This person is so cute. I'm not sure what I'm gonna name him. Mwah! You love it, baby. Yo. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna name her yet, but like, the reason why I got this teddy bear is because I just feel like you need to take it one day at a time. And like what they always say is, how you eat an elephant is taking it bite after bite. So literally that's what I'm planning to do with my life and stuff like that. So that's why I got myself a baby. We also have one in blue, which is for my boo, but he's not interested in this kind of thing. So it's just gonna be like part of our decor and stuff. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This was a day in my life. Like, comment, and subscribe.